battery-powered efficiency, Allegro's Micropower Hall effect switches and latches deliver unmatched accuracy, speed, and low power consumption, perfect for contactless position sensing and motor control. These sensors are powering innovation across diverse sectors, from the precision of industrial automation and robotics to the comfort and convenience of smart homes and the life-saving capabilities of medical wearables. Allegro's Micropower Hall effect position sensors thrive in even the harshest conditions. With industry-standard packages and pinouts, they offer unparalleled design flexibility and low power consumption, making integration a breeze. Offering unparalleled reliability, delivering consistent performance in extreme temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. Contactless detection is simple. Just apply a magnetic field to activate the push-pull output. Designed for power-sensitive applications, they consume as little as 3.1 microamps. It support a voltage range from 2.2 to 5.5 volts that is battery-friendly. Allegro's Micropower switch and latch sensors ensure accuracy and rock-solid stability, minimizing offset errors caused by temperature fluctuations and stress. They offer design flexibility with a wide temperature range, omnipolar and unipolar switch and latch options, customizable sensitivity from 10G to 400G, and a configurable response time.